Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to change your Facebook profile picture without notifying everyone. If you're tired of broadcasting every little update to your friends, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open the Facebook app or head to the website and ensure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your profile page. You can do this by tapping on the menu icon, usually found at the bottom right corner of the app, and selecting See Your Profile. Now locate your current profile picture and click on it. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. Click on Choose Profile Picture. This will take you to a screen where you can select a new photo from your gallery or upload one from your device. Browse through your photos and select the one you want to use as your new profile picture. Once you've chosen your new photo, Facebook will show you a preview of how it will look. Below the preview, you'll see an option labeled Share Your Update to Newsfeed. This is the key to keeping your update private. Uncheck this option to prevent Facebook from posting your profile picture change as an update on your timeline. This way, your friends won't receive notifications about the change. After unchecking the Share Your Update to Newsfeed option, tap Save at the top to confirm the changes. That's it. Your profile picture will be updated without notifying anyone. If your friends visit your profile, they'll see the new picture, but they won't receive any alerts or notifications about the change. This simple trick gives you more control over your Facebook updates, allowing you to make changes without drawing unnecessary attention. Whether you're updating your profile for personal or professional reasons, this method ensures that you can do so discreetly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.